You're telling me that I ate these as a kid in the 90s, but they were actually a Great Depression meal? English muffin pizzas. I know we have all eaten those. It comes right out of the volume 2 of the Great Depression and Stories books. I just thought it was something that, you know, hasn't been around that long, but I guess it has. All right, here we go. It calls for more, but I'm a pepperoni pizza gal. It is. I don't like mushrooms, and I don't like the tiny broccoli, the carrots, and the onions. I like green peppers, but I'm not putting green peppers on on a pizza. But again, ate these as a kid. I didn't think Great Depression meal. Takes me back to the 90s. Tastes exactly the way I remember it. I don't think you could ever go wrong with an English muffin pizza.